city. That's what they say, not what I see. The metro is a real nightmare when it's at you got 30 degrees. Damn, I need some real fresh air. I'm feeling a little dizzy. Jay, this is my stop. I can't stop running to the top. Run, 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 running. Constantly running.